Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to fix the issue as is not opening or it is crashing on your Windows 11 or 10. So as you can see here, when I want to open it, it is opening but somehow it is crashing and it is not opening. So in this video, I will show you how you can fix this. So first of all, how we can fix it is just press Window and R key on your keyboard and look for the option run and type here temp and press here OK key and delete all the temporary files. Press Ctrl A and Shift plus delete button, and you can even delete from here as well. So this is a step number 1, and similarly press Window plus R again and type there percentage temp and percentage. Again select all and then Shift and delete. So I'm not deleting this since the video is running. You will not get my voice once I delete the cache here, but in the normal PC you can simply delete it. Then type prefetch and again select all and delete all of the file. Once you have deleted all the files here, now press Window and R and type this time percentage local app data and percentage. Now click on OK, and once you see this, just look for the Microsoft and then look for Edge. You can see here, and you can delete this data, user data. Okay, just press Ctrl A and then you can Shift and delete this. But all the data will be lost, like your Chrome, like your saved passbook and extension are like that. So make sure you choose it carefully, but somehow we need to choose this since the Microsoft Edge is not working. Other we have the last option to reinstall it, but before that we should try it out. Now once you see this is done, user data we have deleted. Now folder you can also delete it, as remain as it is. Now let's open it, and even it is still crashing. So how we can fix it? Let's try to open the Microsoft and type there Edge, and it is already installed. So we can go to here, add and remove program, tap there add and remove, and you will get add or remove programs. Now search here Edge. Now you will see this button, then click on modify and click on repair. So this process will repair your Edge, and let's see now if we are able to fix this issue or not. Now it is done. It may again download it is saying, but let's close it. We are not okay. It is reinstalling it automatically with this option. Let's wait here. Now it is completed. So even it is still not working. Okay, so my Edge is still crashing and it is still not working. Then we have the option to remove it permanently from our system. If you are can't able to still uninstall it, simply open the Microsoft Store. Now search here WinToy Install this app on your computer and then click on get option here, and this will help me to uninstall the Microsoft Edge. Once you open it, just click on this tool icon on the last corner, this option, and scroll down, go to system here and scroll down and look for this option, Digital Market Act. Enable this option and then restart your PC. Restarted the system. Open now Edge, remove the programs here and search here Edge. Simply click on this option and now this button is highlighted. Just uninstall the application from here. So Edge is still not working. I have to reset my PC.